All right. Hi, everybody. Today we're going to be doing a knowledge lesson called Safety in Storms. Okay. We're going to describe the characteristics of a thunderstorm and how to stay safe during dangerous weather. I want you to learn today the word severe, and we'll talk about that. Today we're going to do a read aloud, and we're going to listen to Annie, who will be talking about what you can do to stay safe in a thunderstorm. Listen carefully for what you should do the next time you have stormy weather. Remember, guys, we're playing quietly, okay? Miss Beck's got to do a recording. All right. So all of you have probably seen a thunderstorm before. So we'll start right here. Dear kindergartners, have you ever seen a thunderstorm? I got caught in one the other day, and it made me realize just how amazing and powerful the weather can be. The thunder boomed and the lightning flashed. It was quite a show. I'm going to tell you about the word severe or very bad weather and how to stay safe during thunderstorms. You probably know what the weather is and what to expect when you look up and see dark clouds in the sky. These are storm clouds, and unless you want to get soaked, it's time to get indoors. And when you see a storm like this moving in, the word soaked means to be completely wet from the rain. So you see those big clouds coming in, you got to get inside, right? Okay, number 2, lightning. During a thunderstorm, you can see lightning. Lightning is a stroke of electricity that connects energy in the ground to energy in a cloud. Sometimes you can see a bolt of lightning when it flashes and zigzags in the sky. Lightning is often followed by a loud crack of thunder. If the thunderstorm is far away, then the thunder may only sound like a distant rumble. But as soon as the storm nears and thunder gets shorter and shorter, thunder cannot hurt you, but lightning can be dangerous. Here's a picture of when lightning struck a tree. A lightning strike or a sudden sharp blow knocked down this tree. Lightning can start fires too. Lightning tends to strike with a sudden blow and hit things like trees and tall buildings. The smartest thing you can do in a storm is stay indoors. If you can't take cover in a building, then a car is also a safe place. In case you ever get stuck outside in a thunderstorm and you can't get indoors, it's important never to take shelter near a tree or a tall object. Even though tree leaves might keep you dry, you never want to be near a tree if it gets hit by lightning. Instead, you should lay flat on the ground, far away from trees, and wait for the storm to pass. You'll get drenched, really wet, but you will not have a tree fall on you. No, sir. That's fine. Another important rule is to always get out of the pool, lake, river, or ocean immediately during a thunderstorm. Electricity moves through water, so anyone in water can get struck with a single lightning strike. It's best to stay inside, safe and dry during a thunderstorm. When it is cold outside, you may see hail during a storm. During a hailstorm, chunks of ice called hailstones fall from the clouds to the ground. Usually hailstones are small, about the size of peas or smaller. Sometimes, however, hailstones can be as big as a golf ball or even a baseball. It is best to stay indoors during a hailstorm. All right, here's a picture of Annie, and she's wearing her rain gear. It's important to know how to stay safe during storms and other kinds of bad weather. If possible, don't go outside in any kind of storm. Hey, Clarky, a little loud. That's fine. If you have to go outside, wear the right kind of gear or specific type of clothing needed for a purpose, like a raincoat, boots, and hat during thunderstorms. Be smart and safe so you can enjoy the amazing power of nature. It's quite your friend, Annie. So, what are some characteristics of a thunderstorm? What is it like? Well, a thunderstorm can have heavy rain. What's that loud stuff? Thunder, lightning, and really strong winds. Maine and Emily, we don't play together. You can scoot over, Emily. All right, so what is lightning? Lightning is electricity that strikes the ground during a thunderstorm. What should you do to stay safe during a thunderstorm? Well, you need to stay inside. And if you can't stay inside, where should you go to? A car is a good idea. If you can't go to a car, where should you not go? Don't go to a tree or a tall building. Lay flat on the ground and get away from anything that's tall, okay? Do you guys remember what hailstones are? Hailstones are those big things of ice that come during a thunderstorm when the air is cooler. Rain gear is a special kind of clothing that you can wear and go outside in the rain. Dad, okay. You'll probably have to put don't unplug that, but put that plug in the power strip. All right, so let's say the word severe. Everybody say severe. I can do it, Liam, if you can't. Severe means very bad. Somebody's facial expression can be severe if they are very angry, or the weather can be severe if it's dangerous. So we're going to do a thumbs up, thumbs down on the word severe, okay? A kitten. Is a kitten severe? Thumbs down. Blisters from a sunburn. That was really hard. Soft spring rain. That's gentle. Breaking an arm. Severe. Snowflakes falling on your face. Gentle. All right, so you can look at the weather every day and you can tell if it's sunny, rainy, cloudy. You can tell if there's a storm. You can use the thermometer to measure the temperature. So I want you to tell your grown-up how the weather is today. So go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to show you your sheet. Okay, so this is what I want you to work on here. This is lesson 7, safety in storms. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to match the word to the definition. Okay, so I'm going to do some of these with you. All right, so the first one we have here is thunderstorm. Then we have lightning, and then we have hail. So is a thunderstorm electricity, heavy rain, or chunks of ice? Let's see. Hail is chunks of ice. A thunderstorm has heavy rain, so we're drawing lines. And lightning is electricity. So we should have lines just like this. All right, right here, I would like you to draw a picture of a way that you can stay safe during a thunderstorm. And then for our word work, severe. A blank is severe. What type of storm? And what do you see and hear during a thunderstorm? Okay, boys and girls, thank you for coming in. I hope that anytime you see a storm that you will promise to be safe. Check the weather every day because the weather is very important. It lets you know what kind of activities you can do, how you can dress, and also severe weather will let you know if you can go places or not go places. I know when it's icing and snowing, you can't go lots of places. During a storm, you don't want to be out in a storm. So always be weather aware. Thank you so much.